Guys, good evening. So this time po, ipapakita ko kung paano gumawa ng bootable flash drive using the CMD, no? So we're going to access the CMD dito po sa search bar, then run as administrator, then we're going to type this part, no? This part, this part. Okay. So, Microsoft this part version 10.0.192.041.964, no? So, nandito tayo guys sa this part. So, next step is we're going to test the list disk, no? To check the available disk sa ating system. So, the first one we have this 0, which is the 1000 plus gigabytes, no? So, this is your HDD. Excuse me. So this is your flash drive. So guys, ito po yung gagawin natin na bootable flash drive. Okay, so we're going to select the disk 1. Select disk. So we're going to select the disk 1. Okay, this one, enter. So this one is now the selected disk. Okay, so we're going to clean, of course. So this part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Okay, so we're going to create a partition primary. Okay, okay, so create a partition primary. So this part succeeded in creating the specified partition. So the next step, guys, is we're going to select select partition, no? So, pili natin yung 1 kasi yung 1 po is your flash drive. No? So, select disk 1 is now selected partition. Okay, so next is we're going to format fs equals ntfs. Okay, so 0% completed. Pag once mag 100 guys, pwede na siya maging bootable flash drive. So, okay, so this part successfully formatted the volume. So this time we're going to check your drive, no? So USB drive T. So we're going to change the path from T to uh, F. So example, we're going to so assign letter. So kanina guys, di ba T? So this time gawin natin X. So this part successfully assigned the drive letter X. So check natin guys. So from T naging X na yung ating flash drive. Yung ating bootable drive. Okay. Check natin. So this time we're going to exit the CMD. No? We're going to type exit. Okay. So ganyan po guys ang paggawa ng bootable flash drive gamit yung this part sa CMD. No? So, so this part, leaving this part. Okay, so this time we're going to, don't forget to copy the files to your bootable flash drive para po pwede na kayo mag-install ng operating system. Okay, thank you guys. Sana po marami kayong natutunan.